So guys, let me show you the setup on this V75. Now let me go to daily time frame for you to know what we are actually looking for. If you look at the time, if you look at this, these are some zone I've marked out. This is just simple step on how to analyze V25 index. If you look at this place, you see that the trend is downtrend, and we have break of structure. We are in daily time frame now. We have this break of structure. So if you want to look at the origin that caused this break of structure, you will see that this is the origin that caused this break of structure, and price has tapped into it, then drop. And we also have a trend line here, which we have first touch and second touch. So we are expecting third touch, you understand. And this third touch, if you look at this place, so the market tap on this other block, then drop, but it's not really break this down. It just break it with a little small tiny body, you understand. So now we are expecting price to come back to this place, then start dropping again. But for now, let's go to 2-hour time frame. So you see what I'm talking about. So this is what we have on 2-hour time frame. You can see this place. After price tap on this zone, you see that we are having consolidation. We have three double bottom there, and price break this neckline to the downside. So where is the origin? The origin is here, and price tapped into this origin, then drop. After the price tap into this origin and drop, give us another break. You can see that it give us another break, but it break with weak. Let me go to 1 hour. So we need to break with body, not with weak. But if you look at 1 hour, you see that it break with the body. So that means that this BOS is valid. This break of structure is valid. So now that this, where is the origin? This is the general origin that caused this break. So as price come down, we have two low, we have equal low here. So we are expecting price to tap into this other block, then drop, you understand. So because all the confluence is intact. In our zone, we have fair value gap. You can see clean fair value gap. We have liquidity has to be taken out, and we have IDM, which is inducement. You can see that this zone is actually we have break of structure here, which is you can call it MSS, that's market shift or change of character, church, anyone you feel like. You can see that all our confluence is all is intact. We have fair value gap here, we have clean order block, we have liquidity that price need to sweep, and we have IDM. So this place now, you see that we have another trend line liquidity. So we have to set up in this chart, meaning that we have sell to this other block, then buy, and we continue the buy, you understand, because this other block is very valid, because we have fair value gap here, and this also breaks structure, and we have liquidity that price will need to come and clear. So now we want to buy we want to sell to buy, so two set up in one trade. So that is what we are waiting for, but we have to wait for price to get to this our zone. Once price get to this our zone, we are going to work with confirmation to confirm if this zone is actually valid. We are going to scale down to 15 minutes. Once price get to our zone in 1 hour, once price get to us, we can see that this is liquidity trend line, you can see. So we have to wait for price to get to this our zone in 1 hour. Once price touch this our POI in 1 hour, we are going to scale down to 5 minutes and we are going to wait patiently for break of structure. We need 15 minute break of structure, then we can confirm that this zone is valid. You can see how clean the chart is. So guys, this is the outcome of the analysis. You can see it actually respects our zone, and we are in massive profit right now. Then I share it to my community. You can see this is the trade. I've told them to close. You can see this is where we actually enter the trade, because I told them to wait for confirmation. So this is when I told them to enter. This is when the trade gets to our zone. Hope you can see. Then I tell them to enter the trade. So this is where the trade is now moving. If you want to be getting more signal, join our group for more signal. You can see good signal to withdraw. You can see good signal. We trade both crypto, forex, and synthetic. So this is where I asked them to close the V75. This is where I asked them to close. You can see close in massive profit. So we have closed in massive profit. So this is just the analysis, and this is the outcome. You can see it play out well. So it's very simple, just simple strategy on V25, on volatility 25, just simple strategy. So you don't need to be greedy. This is this already give us 1 to 5, and it is okay. You don't need to be greedy. This is 1 to 5. So if you know that you got value from this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it to your loved one. Subscribe to this channel. More educational content will be dropping. Thank you. See you in the next video.